I'm just sitting here. I'm checking out my birds today. I just found them. They got fresh water. Shot them up cool with the water hose, and they like that. You know what I'm saying? That way it give them a chance. You know what I'm saying? To groom themselves. Sometimes I just throw a tub up in there and let them just get in the tub. I got like I got three pairs over here on eggs. Down here, it was a pair they had eggs, but they look like they not no more interested in going inside the nesting box. So I took the hen, the girl out, and left the cock in. Then I took the hen out of here and put her over here with him. And so, you know what I'm saying? That's what's going on for the day. That's my little, just give them a little, check it out inside stuff. And that's it. That's what we doing here today. Them birds, them rollers, them spinners. 500 a bird. All right, cut.